Good morning and welcome to the Cancer Intersession. My name is Philippe Thuillier. I'm a basic science scientist and a course director from this Intersession, and Megan Rogers is a course coordinator. So we know that many of you had originally planned to go to Russia to support the US soccer team for the World Cup, and we are very glad and ecstatic that we became your second choice. So thanks so much for coming and spending the next 2 weeks with us. So we will be taking a deep dive into cancer, and I'm going to go over some of those right now. We'll have quite a few sessions on didactic, and you can consult your syllabus for that. We will cover basic biology of cancer, and we will discuss the clinical practices from screening to staging, including multiple modality of therapies, and we will go all the way to grief counseling. We will also have some small group activities, which will include a laboratory session with Dr. Thuillier, and some other small group activities such as narrative medicine and field notes. Those will take place Tuesday and Thursday next week, and you will have some assignments that will be required for those. We will start to assess you, and we will look at 4 levels. The first one will be attendance. There will be some assignments. You will then be tested through ExamSoft, and then we'll have some presentations. I'm going to go through all of those. Attendance is mandatory. You need to arrive 5 minutes early at the least. If you're late, let Megan or myself know. You can check the syllabus for all the expectations regarding attendance. There are some written assignments. You have to submit them on time. Now I'm going to talk about the exam. It's going to be covering all the didactic, including laboratory session, and there should be about 30 to 50 questions covering the objectives that you were taught in class. The presentations, there will be 2 of them. Only the final is graded. So you're going to present 2 times on the same format. Your first presentation will be derived from the tumor boards. You will present this one on Monday in a week. The tumor boards will take place this week starting today, so look at the schedule. Your second presentation will happen on Thursday and Friday next week. This presentation will be based on a case that you were assigned, and you should be able to find yourself on a team. That means you're going to have to find time to work together, and for your presentation you will work as a unit of 3 to 4. First thing, you will identify a novel question derived from each case, 1 case for tumor board and 1 for your final presentation. Examples of questions can be found in the syllabus, so consult it. Once you have your questions, you will divide the work amongst the 3 or the 4 of you, so that you address the question using 2 basic science papers, 1 clinical science paper, and 1 healthcare delivery paper. Those papers cannot be reviews. They must be peer-reviewed articles. You will have to work as a team so that your 4 presentations put together make a coherent story covering the basic science, clinical science, and healthcare delivery. For the tumor board, you will have 15 minutes to present all 4 of you, and for the final presentation, you will have 20 minutes total. Tomorrow at 2 p.m., you're going to have a session called Project Research Workshop. This is designed to help you start to work on your final presentation and get your team started. You will have to submit tonight your team questions for your final presentation. All this info is in the syllabus. So I will see you tomorrow. In the meantime, if you have any question, you can ask Megan. She'll be happy to help you, and we'll see you tomorrow.